What do we say, guys?
What do we say?
Well, it depends.
Depends. Are you talking about your underwear?
No, that's yours, not mine.
Bobby's girlfriend's underwear.
Okay, we're back. And I've got the first heater hose ran. I would love it if you guys could actually see all the way in there like I can.
You got, Scotty, you got hose?
Yeah, right? So this runs
With Chris?
all the way up. I got to put it on this, the right side of the screen. I got to put it on the right side of that. Oh, no, I got it right. Or do I want to go inside? Either way. So we got the first one ran. And I'll get it hooked up down here. Running the second one's going to be a little more difficult because, of course, I lose room because of this hose already being there. But, yeah. Well, we're getting there. I'll keep you guys updated with another video in a little bit. Cleaned off the transmission pan really good. Tightened up the bolts to help hopefully stop the leak. I don't know if it's gonna. But he's tackling problems one by one. So, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Xander, what do we say?
Later.
Good morning, guys. So we are still on Chris's Caddy. We've got heater hose 1 ran. I just got to put the clamp on it. Heater hose 2 ran. I got to put a clamp on that one. But now you can see why it was so difficult. So not only does it have to run off the back of the block, down the back of the block, to the transmission, because we already showed you guys where the heater core is located. It's like, wow, I've never ever seen anything like that. At least for my time working on cars, because I've never really worked on an old Cadillac much. But it's done. I just got to clamp everything up. We'll go down to the bottom real quick. As long as I don't fall off the ladder, which would be funny, because I know Bobby would laugh.
I would laugh and then check and see if you're okay.
And then laugh more.
As long as you were mostly okay.
Yeah. So.
You can drive yourself to the hospital again.
Right?
Well, you refused to let me do it last time.
I'm stubborn.
Well, that and you have a better chance of dying with me driving than you.
True.
You're already avoiding death as it was.
Yeah. I still can't believe that happened.
Yeah, well.
But it is what it is.
It's you, so I would assume everything can happen. You know how that goes.
Yeah, trust me, I do. So we'll measure everything out so that I can, sorry about the bad camera work for a second. We'll measure everything out.
Oh, the camera work is all that's bad?
Of course. So I've got to get both hoses inside this clamp. Oops, sorry about the finger. We'll get everything taken care of that way. Get it bolted back into place. Get the hoses ran, cut, and strapped. And we'll be good to go. Well, all depends. You never know. But on that note, what do we say?